All right, boys and girls, we are going to practice more with the whole and making a fact family. So let's start with the first one. We have 2, 5, and 7. So if I wanted to circle the whole, I would circle the 7 because that is the biggest number. And then when we add, the whole is after the equal sign, so it goes here and here. And when we subtract, the biggest number comes first, so the 7 goes here and here. After we put that where it goes, we circle the 2 parts, which are 2 and 5. And then I just fill in the spaces where those belong. Can you hear my dog? She's barking. She's so silly. She's always barking when I'm making my videos. So we push 2 on this side and then 2 on this side. And then we flip it and put 5 and 5. And then on the subtraction, if I subtract 7 minus 2, we know what's the only number that's left is 5. And then if I subtract 5 from 7, the only other number left is 2. So let's go over and look at our next problem. We have 3, 2, and 5. So circle the biggest number, which is going to be the whole, and that's 5. And I put my 5s where they belong, which are at after the equal sign on the addition problems. And when we subtract, the whole comes first, so they go there. And then I take my parts and I circle them like this. And then I fill those parts in on the blanks. So 3 goes here and here, and 2 goes here and here, because we have that rule that says that if the add-ins are the same, the sum is the same. It doesn't matter what order we add them in. And then we could put 5 minus 2 is 3, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So I want you to try the next 2 on your own, and then push play and correct them with me and see if you got them right. So go ahead and push pause. Awesome, welcome back. So let's start with this one. We circle 8. It's the biggest number, so it's the whole. 8 goes here and here. Then 8 goes here and here. Then I circle my parts, which are 1 and 7. And I fill them in where they belong, like this. And then I do it again over here, 1 and 7 and 1 and 7. So I want you to check and make sure that you got those in the right place. And if you didn't, I want you to erase it and fix it. Okay, last one. The whole is the biggest number, which is 9. 9 is going to go here and here. And then we're going to have 9 and 9 over here. So double check and make sure you got those answers. Then I want you to circle the 2 parts. So 4 and 5. And those are near doubles because 4 plus 4 is 8. So 1 more is 9. So that works. We can do 4s here and 5s here. And we know that those answers are true because they're flip-flop facts. Then on the next part, we can do 9 minus 4 equals 5, and 9 minus 5 equals 4. So, all right, good job. Give yourself a smiley face for doing your very best work on that side. And go ahead and flip it over. Okay, we've got some more subtraction problems here. In this one, you might need to use your number line 4 because we do have a couple of minus 2s. So we're going to come to those at the very end. The first thing I want you to do is find all of the minus 1s. This is something we've been practicing all week. So you just go and see 3 minus 1, so that's a minus 1. And I go to the number before the 3, which is 2. And I'm going to skip this one and come back to it. And this one, because we start with all of the minus 1s. So 4 minus 1, the number before 4 is 3. Next one, 8 minus 1. The number before 8 is 7. So go through your paper and find all of the minus 1s. So push pause and do that, and then push play. Okay, now that you've done all of those, check and see if you have the same as me. Now we're going to go to our neighbors. Remember our neighbors, when we have the neighbors, the answer is 1. So I'm going to look and see all of the numbers that are neighbors on the number line and just put 1s because that we know is the answer. So 4 and 3 are neighbors on the number line. 4 and 2 are not. So push pause and find all of the neighbors and then push play again. Okay, now that you've done all of those, we're going to go to our number line and try the -2s. So if I have a number line like this, and you all have one on your desk, so I'm drawing the number line. 4 minus 2, I put my pencil on 4, I count back 2, the answer is 2. So I don't have to do this one again because I just did the same problem up above. I just know that 4 minus 2 is 2. So I'm going to go through and find all of those and put those in there. And you should be done. Nice job, boys and girls.